welcome to this week's Intivix Office 365 tips and tricks. My name is Brandy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create and use Outlook Quick Steps. This is another feature that, while not new, not everyone is aware of the functionality or that it may even save them time. I will show you two quick steps. First, let's create a quick step. Let's say I want to create a quick step for a bi-weekly meeting that I host. In the ribbon at the top of the page, locate Quick Steps. You can either click on Quick Steps drop-down menu and then select your option. You may also perform this function by clicking on the arrow in the bottom right corner of Quick Steps. Click New, and again, choose a selection. The easiest way is to choose Create New directly from the menu. Type in a name or title of your new quick step. Next, choose an action. In this case, I'm choosing New Message. Begin typing in the email addresses you wish to have associated with this quick step. Once you've entered all the email addresses, choose Finish. Now, if you'll refer back to your ribbon at the top of the page in the Quick Steps box, you'll notice that there's a new icon named Team Strategy Meeting. This new icon will save me a little bit of time. When I choose to email this group, I simply click on this icon and all of their names populate. A simple and effective way that helps me save a little bit of time. The second quick step I will show you is Reply and Delete. Rather than taking a couple of steps, this will take just one. Choose an email that's in your inbox that you need to reply to, but that you don't need cluttering your inbox and you can delete. Go back up to the top ribbon. In Quick Steps box, click Reply and Delete. Once you've sent your response, notice what will happen to your inbox. It's no longer cluttering your inbox. And there you have it. Two effective and efficient ways to help you do your job a little bit more effectively and quickly. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to speaking to you again next week.